You pick the schedule, then you show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning, not 8:20, not 8:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township? All right, on this file, normally on drove license suspended charges, I issue fines and costs, usually about $500. In your case, it would be more because we got a bunch of late fees. So as an alternative to jail, because it's a 93-day misdemeanor. All right.
Morning, Your Honor. Peter Rodonna, 78413, MIBC Counsel.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Smith, have you discussed your rights and options with Mr. Granata? You understand those rights and the options they present to you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding your rights and options and understanding the possible penalty for allow unlicensed driver to drive, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? July 17, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township? And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to that charge. I'll dismiss the other two charges in keeping with your agreement with the prosecutor's office. You working? When's the last time you worked? You were just in front of me last week or so. What was that for? Okay. So when's the last time you had a job and where were you working?
That day was the day I actually got terminated. I was working as a supervisor for lead at Lansing to Toledo at the Jeep plant.
Okay.
Your Honor, based on Mr. Smith's financial hardship, we would ask for to consider a lower fine amount or possibly a minimal.
Can you print a gun like that?
A paying fine.
How long were you at Slantis?
2.5 years.
Did you make your payment today?
I can make a payment.
$150? You committed to $150 last time we talked.
It's $300.
What's the status of your license now?
Valid.
As of when?
It's been valid for over a year.
Got any job prospects right now?
Just had an interview yesterday, last night at 8 p.m. I'm waiting to hear back from them.
What do they do?
Great Lakes Wine and Spirit, supervisor for them.
What, like a warehouse?
Yes.
Where they at?
Island Park.
Full time, I hope. Good. When they gonna let you know?
They said by the end of today or Monday at the latest.
I still can't believe this.
They
don't-
all I know is it's valid.
Yeah, but it doesn't even tell. Oh, here it is. Yeah, they're getting disposition guilty to a speeding ticket. They don't plead guilty to a speeding ticket.
Was it something else that they pled down to? Wait, let me see it.
Well, the accident is one of absence.
Yeah.
Yeah, guilty, no proof of insurance.
It's just their way of saying.
Terrible. They used to be so simple. All right, Mr. Smith, is there anything else you want to tell me before I sentence you today?
Don't worry about 279. Don't worry about that.
All right, on this file, normally on Drove license suspended charges, I issue fines and costs, usually about $500. In your case, it would be more because we got a bunch of late fees, so probably at least another $150. Plus, I do some work days as an alternative to jail because it's a 93-day misdemeanor. All right. You're already so deep into us. Currently, you owe us $2,400 on stuff before we even get to today's file. So what I'm going to do is on today's file, I'm just going to tell you 8 days work program, you're done. You don't owe us any money on this file. You got a payment plan set up at $150 a month on the $2,400 you already owe. So go down, schedule work days, bang them right out, get done. So when somebody gives you a chance to a job, you're not telling them, well, I can't work next Monday because I got to go to work program. So bang out 8 days on this file, and that closes that file out with no money. Got it? You pick the schedule, then you show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning, not 8:20, not 8:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. All right. So if you can get through 8 days with no problems, this file's done. No jail time, no more money. That's in this case, it's about $800. It's about $100 a day I'm giving you from what I would normally do. All right. You got it? Good luck. The other thing you can do is, and it's the same counter where you're going to schedule your work days, ask Mr. Taylor, he's the best dressed guy in the building, Avery Taylor. Ask him if he knows of any jobs in the area that you might want to go put in some paper on, because he's got a list. All right, good luck. Yeah, it'd be nice to get a good job closer to Highland Park.
Yes.
What'd you say, Highland Park? Yeah, you're welcome.
I couldn't.
See, here's another one. What describes your way of thinking? Logical, intuitive, emotional, big picture, practical. I consider myself to be a big picture, practical thinker. And I should take both of us.
Right.
Offer that my client would like to avail herself to, whereby there would no longer be a bond violation. My client will be filling the amended charge, the sort of comment.
Right.
771 for a period of 3 months.
Okay. Do we care which charge we dismiss and which charge we reduce? All right, Ms. Burgess, did you discuss your rights and options with your attorney?
Yeah.
You understand all those rights and the options they give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding the added charge and your rights and options, are you pleading guilty to the charge freely and voluntarily today? Mr. Jadal, I've got an incident date of October 23, 25. Could you voir dire?
Dating back to October 2025, I was within the township of Huron. At that time, did you make persistent phone calls to father of your unborn child?
Yes.
And that was you agreed with the intent to arrest. Is that correct? I'm satisfied.
So am I. I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss both the original charges. What should I know about the lady before I sentence today?
She is pregnant. Very emotional time of a relationship, pregnancy. There was another woman at the scene that she is currently around her getting mental health.
Good. We're at,
Well, I know the name of my therapist's name is Amy. I don't know the name of the.
okay. How often you going? Good. How long you been going?
Anything going on.
Okay. When's baby due? Oh, congrats. Good luck. Yeah. All right, go ahead. I'm sorry, counsel.
Sometimes you might want to begin by at the last thing we provide proof of her to the prosecution henceforth this deal. She's going to do everything that she can to slow it down for the next 3 months. She doesn't need this on her record, doesn't want it on her record. She understands to continue the no contact issue. She will do that.
All right. Are you working?
Maternity leave, yes.
Where were you working at? Okay. How long were you there? Okay. Anything you want to tell me? Don't feel that you have to. Okay. And I'm assuming no criminal history. All right, Ms. Burgess, I will delay sentence for 3 months. During that time period, stay out of trouble, no new criminal charges. I'm assessing court costs the amount of $500. Can you pay that today or can you set up a payment plan today? And I think there's also a no contact with victims.
You understand, she's not out like that.
All right. Just so we're clear, no contact, like no social media, no phone calls, no letters, no Hallmark cards. You see them at Taco Bell, you're eating at Burger King. You don't tell your friends to go see how they're doing, just no contact. All right. Okay, good luck to you. Go downstairs and set up something on payments. Jaleese Smith,
Yes, I'm here.
ma'am, can you activate your camera?
Yes, 1 second.
You are going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good news is the prosecutor wants me to dismiss the charge against you from December 14, 2025. I'm assuming that's okay with you.
Yes, sir.
Have a lovely day.
You too. Thank you. Appreciate your time.
Thank you. You are free to leave.
Thanks.
Andrew Irving. Good morning, sir. Come on up. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney?
Yes.
You've met with the prosecutor. It says you're going to plead guilty to an added charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied first offense. Is that your deal?
Yeah.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understand the possible penalty for that charge? You understand that the Secretary of State's probably going to put 2 points on your record? All right. And did you read your rights form?
Yeah.
Understood those rights? And the options they give you?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Sir, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on February 8, 2006?
Yes, I did.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. You're working?
Yes.
Where do you work? How long have you been there?
Public ways. I've been there 23 years.
Good. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? Your license still suspended, I assume?
It was an emergency. Apologize.
Okay. All right. Mr. Irving, I think I said this. I dismissed the original charge that was issued to you. On today's file, fines and costs, $500 and 4 days on the court work program. Work program is assessed as an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you want to work. We'll give you a schedule. You got to be here each of those days at 8 o'clock in the morning. Can you pay the $500 today?
Yeah.
Go on downstairs, take care of the money, get a smile from the cashier, and they'll sign you up as well. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Danny Strunk. Ms. Strunk, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor?
Yes.
Says you're going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, and they want me to dismiss the misdemeanor that was issued to you on February 3rd. Is that your deal? All right. I'll accept the plea to the civil infraction. Fines and costs, $250. Can you pay that today?
Today, not all of it today.
All right, go downstairs and make arrangements. Good luck. If we don't get our $250, the misdemeanor's back on for you to deal with, understood? Good luck. Heather, I screwed that up. I didn't realize that there were, oh, it's not a reduced charge.
It's just added money.
Yeah, it had 2 charges, one was repeated. Is it Lesage? Say it again? Come on up, Mr. Lesage. You're going forward today without an attorney, is that correct? You've met with the prosecutor? Let's see what we got. Okay, same deal. You're gonna plead responsible to impeding traffic. We're gonna dismiss a misdemeanor charge, correct? All right. I'll accept your plea to the civil infraction. Fines and costs on that one, $180. Can you pay it today? Go downstairs and make arrangements. Any questions? Tabitha Farrat. Is it Farrat? Good morning. Lots of paperwork here. Are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let me see what we got. All right, so I've got one file from Sumter Township, July 3rd, 2022. Drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied is the charge. Says here you're going to plead guilty to allow unlicensed driver to operate a vehicle. Is that your deal?
What does that say? Allow unlicensed driver to drive, is that drive?
Yeah, because the driver starts with a P, and so it's,
Okay. All right. And the other files I have here on Township for November 24 says you're going to plead to allow unlicensed driver to operate, and I'm going to dismiss a drove while license suspended misdemeanor and 3 different civil infractions. That's your deal on that pile? Did you read your rights form on these? Understood the rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the charge of allow unlicensed driver to operate? Understanding all of those nice things, are you pleading guilty to 2 charges today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? All right, let's start with July 3rd, 2022. Did you drive a vehicle in Sumter at that time? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea and I'll dismiss the original charge. All right, moving on to Huron. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on November 24, 25? And was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea on that file. And dismiss all those civil infractions and the drove while license suspended charge. Are you working? And what's the status of your license? What's it take to get you right on the road?
Now, I just have to get in the train. That's my only issue right now.
You need to go back for a driver's license appeal division hearing? Anything you want me to know before I sentence you on these files? All right, on each one of these files, fines and costs are $600. On each one of these files, I'm ordering 4 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick the days you want to work. Can you pay $1,200 today, or do you need some options? Go downstairs, talk about your options, and they'll schedule your work days. Do you have any questions? Good luck with your license. It's a lot of money to hire the attorney, but it's going to save you time.
yeah, thanks.
You're welcome. Leon Shannon, come on up. Hmm? Mm-hmm. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights? Understand the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of Double parking, civil infraction. Okay. All right, so you're gonna plead responsible to the civil infraction. We're gonna dismiss the misdemeanor from January of 2020, right? All right. And you've also got some money posted. Looks like you've got a $150 bond. Okay. All right, so I will accept your plea to that added charge. You agree to pay fines and costs of $300, correct? All right, do you have $150 today to pay in addition to the bond we've got?
I'm planning on like $100, but we put it towards it.
So what do you want to do? You want to do monthly payments, weekly payments? All right. Looks like you've also got a speeding ticket you owe us money on here, $275. So how much can you pay? How often and how much?
50 to 100 a month.
All right, go downstairs, make that first payment, get something on paper on the total. Any questions? You as well. We don't get our money, the misdemeanor goes back on, you got to deal with that. King, Dondre King. Mr. King, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? Oh, I'm sorry, it does. Have a seat, we're waiting for the attorney. I was feeling cocky. I thought they were all gonna wave today so we could get some done.
Read the line.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Irving's coming back up. To go or program.
4 days, I think, wasn't
I'm sorry.
I think that was 4 days.
Yep.
Thanks. Let's start with King. Come on up.
You're on for the record, Jeff, about appearing on behalf of, and with, Mr. King. Sir, could you tell Judge your name? Your Honor, this is case 21 HR 13743. His name, I'm set for Raymond in this matter, if you wait for reads standing to the charges. We've also had a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement, Mr. King will be pleading guilty to the handicap of operating while impaired. It is a 5-year-old case with the understanding the high BAC would become operating while visibly impaired, and then he would be pleading guilty, driving while license is suspended.
All right. Have you discussed your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the impaired driving charge? Possible penalty for DWLS? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to those charges freely and voluntarily today? September 29, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? At that time, had you been drinking alcohol? Did you take a breath test or a blood test? Do you know what your test results were? Stipulate? Over 0.17?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the factual basis? I'll accept your plea, sir, to the drove while license suspended charge and the impaired driving charge. I'll dismiss the original high BAC charge. I'm going to send you downtown or downtown. I'm going to send you downstairs to make an appointment to come back and be interviewed by a probation officer. Then you'll come back for a sentencing date when the three of us will have a chance to talk about a report. You got all that? And is that a yes?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
All right. I'm assuming we've got him on a bond. So bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Oh, Mr. King, you owe us some money on civil infractions from 2021, a PBT refusal, $376. Are you in a position to make a payment plan on that? Set that up today before you get out of here, would you? All right, you're all set. We'll see you in probably 3 or 4 weeks. Kennedy Caraballo, how'd I do?
You're on for the record, Jeffrey Vice, Sheriff, appearing on behalf of witness. Your Honor, today's the date time set for the Raymond Indian Driver with reading stand. You also had a chance to preach on this case, Your Honor. This.
Carvalho.
Ms. Carvalho is going to be pleading guilty to an attempt of having smart license with the understanding that the original charges would be dismissed.
Okay, what I've got is she's going to plead to one original charge and dismiss one original charge. I've got registration or plate violation to be dismissed and, oh, what the hell? I got 2 registration or plate violations. Okay, we'll make it work. Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch? You understand those rights? Understand the options they present to you? And do you understand the possible penalty for driving with an expired license? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? are you doing so voluntarily? All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on July 9, 2022 while your license was expired? Satisfied, Mr. Bowditch? So am I. What should I know before I sentence?
Oh, yeah, about a week ago, I paid like $1,400 off in tickets. I tried to pay them off back. I'm just trying to reform my life. I got a heart specialist now, so I'm just trying to get my life on track.
Mhm.
Like a part-time mother now too. So
Okay.
I'm just trying to get my life on track just so I can be better all the way around.
Okay. All right. So what's the status of your license?
After I paid those 2 tickets, they told me I could go ahead and go to the Secretary of State and get it situated. But I wanted to get this out the way just so I would cross all my.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
I have an appointment today at 10 o'clock, so I'm going to go get my permit all over again.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know? All right.
Thank you.
All right. So on the expired ops, $500 fines and costs. Can you pay it today or do you need to talk options?
I can pay it today.
Go downstairs, get a smile out of our cashier. You're welcome. You as well. Albert, is it Ciotti? How do you say it?
Is that right?
Ciotti? Mr. Bowditch.
Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of, and we can Mr. Seattle, sir. Tell Judge your name for the record, please.
Yes, Albert Sherry.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date that I'm framing in this matter from the reading of the state. Also, got a chance to pre-trial this case, Your Honor. We have an executed plea agreement in which Mr. Ciotti, we pleading guilty to the fighting. With the understanding the matter will be taken under 771 for a period of 6 months. With the understanding that Mr. Ciotti's obligations by the court, that the matter will be considered for dismissal at that time.
Thank you. You understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch? And you understand the possible penalty for the assault and battery or the violent behavior charge?
Yeah.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily?
Are you doing pleading freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, so February 6, 2026, were you fighting with Mr. Ellis in Huron Township? Satisfied? So am I. What should I know before I sentence?
An unfortunate incident, maybe due to weather. They live in the same park, but they don't see each other, but they have
Okay.
isolated cases.
Are you working, sir?
Disabled with back injury.
All right. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? No magic answer. I'm just giving you a chance to talk if there's anything you want to share.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Can you stay out of contact with Mr. Ellis?
Oh, yeah. I ain't got no reason to go near him,
All right.
other than driving by his house. It's on the way home.
Well, just drive by like this and you're fine. You can't drive by like this.
I ain't got no reason, had no reason.
All right.
Notice.
All right. I'll delay sentence for 6 months. Stay out of trouble. No new criminal charges. No contact with him. Court costs are assessed amount of $500. Can you pay it today? Can you pay $500 today? Go downstairs and make arrangements. They'll tell you what your options are.
Go downstairs.
Andrew Irving.
Oh, yeah.
You had a question about work program, sir?
Yeah, I didn't realize that the 4 days work was during the week. I work 4 a.m. to 2:30 in the afternoon, Monday to Friday.
Who you work for?
Republic Waste.
Oh, you said that.
Anything else I could do? I mean, I can go try to get them to change my days off. But I don't know if they will or not.
Heather, what's Vanessa's number?
17.
Hey, do you have any idea how close we are to scheduling our weekends? No, I mean, the guys we're hiring, yeah. All right, so I think I'm just gonna have Irving come down and schedule and just schedule them for, you know, like, or even if you want, just give him a review to contact you to set up, but I'm thinking just schedule, some weekends in April. Yeah, yeah, okay, all right. All right, so we're expanding the weekend program. We're just not there yet. So I'm gonna have you go down and set up a schedule to start like after next month. So after March, start it in April. All right?
So come back here and set it up in April.
No, just go downstairs, right? And she'll pick a couple weekends with you in April. All right? Good luck. You're welcome.
Oh, King and Burgess.
Warren with a W? Come on up, sir. Thanks. All right, Mr. Warren, true, you want to go forward without benefit of an attorney today? Okay. He's got a Huron file and a Sumter file, and we have a write-up from one.
Okay, so if I can see the other process.
Right.
Correct?
We had. Set up.
Okay, go ahead, tell the judge what you got.
I was gonna plead guilty to one, and they were about the other.
Okay,
Plead guilty to Sumter.
okay, all right. Yeah, so we've got two charges of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. You understand what those possible penalties for the charges? And did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights? Understand the options those rights give you? Understanding all that, you're pleading guilty to the Sumter charge to have the Huron charge dismissed, correct? And you understand that if I accept a guilty plea from you, then this goes to Secretary of State and they're probably going to put 2 points on your record too. All right. Did you in fact, understanding all that, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? Understanding all of that, did you drive a vehicle in Sumter on January 21, 21? All right. At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. I will accept your plea to that charge. I'll dismiss the Huron charge. Let's see what we got. All right, so are you working? When's the last time you had a job? Who are you working for? Like the first of the month? Okay. Oh, last year. So you did a year.
Doesn't know him.
Heather, call me if the warrant on the civil infraction needs to be X.
Yeah. He's not gonna do this practice.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, probably will after a year.
Ready for Christmas?
Mhm. Okay. Where you live? What do you got to do to get your license back?
This probably another year.
Yeah.
Cost or something. I believe.
How are you gonna get to work?
It really depends. Like, well, the guy I was working for before, he come pick up everything because he would very much.
Yeah, that makes it easy.
I can get a ride
to work once I establish something, and then I can work out a ride afterwards. Because, you know, I have no license in the car.
So last job you had was construction. Doing what? Okay. How long?
I've been doing construction.
Always construction? How do you feel about water and sewer? I got a guy that'll hire you if you can get there. Down in Monroe. That's why I'm asking. Yeah. All right. Well, here, if you get desperate, but you think you can get a ride lined up, come back. I'll give you the card now. All right. But this is a personal friend of mine, so don't call him if you're gonna leave him hanging. I mean, if you can arrange to get there every day, then go ahead and call him, but don't, because he'll hire you just because you tell him you got the card from me. He'll probably hire you just because I sent you. But I don't want it to come back on me because he hired you and you didn't show up. All right. Okay, back to business. All right, so I dismissed one drovable license suspended. You've got an equipment violation here that you owe money on. I'm gonna close that, give you some time for credit for some time you spent. Who'd you go to jail for? I think you told me that. All right, so the drovable license suspended charge that I closed, the dismissal from here on, that's still got a $45 clearance fee on it that you might have to pay before you get your license back. So just be warned, Secretary of State might send you back to us. But you live in Belleville. All right, so on the Sumter file, normally what I would do is I give you fines and costs and some work days. You probably have more, right now, you probably have more time on your hands than money. So if you want to, I'll just give you 4 days on the work program, no money. And then you just get a ride here 4 days to do the work program.
Here to do it?
Right here. Can you do that? You'll pick the days. Monday through Friday, you pick 4 days. You can do 4 days in a row. You can pick, every Monday for 4 weeks, get it out of the way. I'd like you to get it out of the way. So if somebody gives you a chance to work, today's Wednesday, Thursday. All right. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you a break for all the time you just spent with Washtenaw. Go downstairs, schedule 4 days on the work program, and I'm not going to give you any money. So do the 4 days as scheduled, no problems, and you're closed out. This time of year, it's a lot of pickup, right? End of the year, out with the crew, picking up the trash that's under the snow and that kind of stuff. Yeah. It's not strenuous labor. Yeah.
It's a good time of the year because it's warming up. It's different from like regular community service.
Well, in our court, community service, what we call community service is charity work. You go find some nonprofit and you volunteer. Church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army. Work program is you're going out and working with, in this case, the city of Rhineland's DPW. Got it? Downstairs, main counter, 4 days, you're done. Out of here. Yep. Good luck with the job hunt. You're welcome. Thank you.
The defendant pleads guilty to one charge of driving with a suspended license in Sumter, and in exchange, the Huron charge is dismissed. The judge makes sure he understands the penalties, including points on his record and possible Secretary of State fees. After learning he's unemployed and struggling, the judge does something unexpected, offering 4 days on a local work program instead of fines, giving him a chance to clear the case without paying money. He even offers a potential job lead, yet warning him not to waste the opportunity. Do you think judges should focus more on second chances like this instead of just fines and punishment? Like, share, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments.